Hi, my name is Alexia. We're here in the medical assisting lab, and today I'm going to show you how to use a pulse oximeter. First, you're going to introduce yourself to the patient and then confirm the patient's name and date of birth, making sure that you're getting all the information from them. You're going to turn it on, and you're going to make sure that they don't have any dark nail polish on because it can actually interfere with your red light inside. This is actually to show how much oxygen that person has in their blood. So you're going to hit the on button, open it up like this, put it on your finger, and have them lay their hand flat on the table or a chair or whatever. There you go. So my oxygen saturation says it is at 97 and my pulse was at 89. And that's how you take someone's oxygen saturation within a medical facility.